Most drivers think their engines die from age, bad luck, or a single major failure. But the truth is far more disturbing. 92% of drivers are killing their engines without even knowing it. Tiny daily habits. Things you do every morning, every mile, every stoplight. Silently shave years off your engine's life. In fact, most engines don't wear out at 250,000 miles. They wear out 200,000 miles early because of simple mistakes almost everyone makes. Yet there's a small group of drivers who routinely push their cars to 400,000, 500,000, even 600,000 miles without a single major repair. Long-haul truckers, veteran mechanics, and the rare million-mile car owners. And they all have one thing in common. They follow the same strange longevity habits the average driver never learns. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know the 10 habits that can make your engine outlive the car itself. I've spent 20 years watching engines die long before they should. Not from defects, not from age, but from simple habits drivers never realized were destroying their cars. After seeing thousands of engines fail early, and thousands more cross 400,000, 500,000, even 600,000 miles, one truth became impossible to ignore. These 10 habits can make your engine outlive the car itself. Let's start with the one that adds life to your engine every single morning. Habit 10. Warm up the smart way. Most drivers think they're protecting their engine by idling for 10 minutes every morning. In reality, that habit is quietly destroying it. When your engine sits idling cold, raw fuel doesn't burn completely. Instead, it washes down the cylinder walls, thinning the oil, and grinding away at the metal underneath. This single myth kills more piston rings than bad oil ever will. Here's the right way. The way high-mileage drivers swear by. Start your car. Let it idle for 30 to 60 seconds. Then drive gently for the first 5 minutes. Why it works? Oil circulates faster while moving. The engine warms evenly, and no raw fuel builds up in the cylinders. This single adjustment can add tens of thousands of miles to your engine's lifespan. Habit 9. Use the right oil plus right interval. One of the biggest killers of modern engines is the 10,000-mile oil change myth. Most drivers believe they can stretch oil far beyond its limit, but sludge, heat breakdown, and metal wear begin long before that. And once wear starts, you can't reverse it. Here's the truth. Use conventional oil. Change every 5,000 miles. Use full synthetic. Change every 7,500 miles. In hot, dusty, or stop-and-go environments, change even sooner. And never cheap out on oil filters. Low-quality filters collapse internally, letting unfiltered oil circulate through your engine. A silent death sentence for bearings and camshafts. Just last month, a customer came in with early engine wear at only 80,000 miles. Why? Wrong oil, cheap filter, and blind trust in the 10,000-mile myth. The right oil and the right interval can easily push your engine past 500,000 miles. Habit 8. Stick to a strict maintenance schedule. Every engine has its own survival rules, and they're all written in one place most drivers never bother to read: the owner's manual. Maintenance intervals aren't universal. Some engines need spark plugs at 60,000 miles, others at 120,000. Some timing belts must be replaced at 90,000 miles. And if you miss that deadline, the engine can self-destruct in a single second. And here's the part most drivers never notice. Your manual has hidden severe use intervals, shorter schedules meant for hot climates, dusty roads, short trips, towing, and idling. Most people fall into this category without realizing it. Create a simple spreadsheet or use a maintenance tracking app. Record oil changes, coolant flushes, belts, fluids, filters, everything. Staying ahead of schedule is how engines cross 500,000 miles without drama. If these are opening your eyes, hit subscribe so you don't miss the ones mechanics hope you never learn. Habit 7. Keep the cooling system pristine. If there's one thing that can destroy an engine faster than bad oil, it's heat. Heat is your engine's silent executioner. Even a single overheating incident can rip 50,000 miles off your engine's lifespan instantly. And it happens more often than you think, not because of blown head gaskets, but because of neglected coolant. Coolant doesn't just lose strength over time, it turns corrosive, eating into aluminum passages and clogging radiators from the inside out. Mixing the wrong coolant types? That causes gelling, which blocks circulation completely. And don't forget the most overlooked component, the radiator cap. When it fails, it can no longer hold pressure, turning a healthy engine into a boil-over disaster in minutes. Replace it every 50,000 miles. Flush your cooling system every 2 to 3 years. Use only manufacturer-approved coolant, and your engine will stay cool, strong, and alive for the long run. Habit 6. Drive smoothly like you own a classic. Your engine isn't the only thing aging every time you drive. Your entire drivetrain takes the hit. Hard launches, sudden braking, fast cornering, and constant stop-and-go driving multiply the stress on engine mounts, axles, suspension, and transmission. Do it daily, and you quietly cut decades off your car's life. Drivers in premium countries treat their cars differently because they understand one truth: your car is precision machinery, not a rental. Adopt these micro habits that high-mileage owners swear by. Accelerate progressively. Coast to stops whenever possible. Avoid potholes like they're traps. Keep steering smooth, not jerky. And never slam into drive or reverse while the car is still rolling. Driving gently isn't about being slow. It's about reducing stress. This one habit alone can preserve thousands of dollars in parts over the life of your car. Habit 5. Never skip air, fuel, and cabin filters. Filters are the smallest parts in your car, and some of the most important for long-term survival. A clogged engine air filter suffocates your engine, reducing power, hurting fuel economy, and increasing internal wear. Replace it every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, or every 10,000 if you drive in dusty areas. The fuel filter is even more critical. If it's serviceable, change it on schedule. Dirty fuel leads to clogged injectors, lean combustion, and expensive repairs that sneak up slowly. And here's the surprising one: your cabin filter matters too. When it's clogged, it forces the blower motor to work harder. And that blower motor shares wiring with engine systems. Electrical stress spreads fast. These cheap, simple filters are your engine's first line of defense. Skipping them is never worth the risk. Habit 4. Transmission survival rules. If engines fail loudly, transmissions fail quietly. Transmissions never die suddenly. They die silently. The damage builds slowly: overheated fluid, clogged passages, worn clutch packs, all caused by one myth that refuses to die: lifetime transmission fluid. Lifetime doesn't mean forever. It means until the warranty runs out. To survive past 300,000, 400,000, even 500,000 miles, change your transmission fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, depending on your vehicle. If you tow, haul heavy loads, or drive in hot climates, install a transmission cooler. Dropping fluid temps by just 30 degrees Fahrenheit can double your transmission's lifespan. And here's the fear warning every mechanic knows: never shift into park while the car is still rolling. It destroys the parking pawl, a repair that can cost more than the car is worth. Protect the transmission, and your car will live far longer than most drivers ever expect. Habit 3. Use fuel injector cleaner correctly. Fuel injectors are microscopic precision tools, firing thousands of times per minute. And even the smallest amount of buildup can ruin their spray pattern. Yet this is one of the most misunderstood maintenance habits on the road. Drivers skip injector cleaner because the symptoms are subtle at first, but the repair bill isn't. Sluggish acceleration, rough idle, higher fuel use. All early warning signs most people ignore. Here's the right way to do it, the way mechanics and long-haul drivers use. Run a high-quality cleaner like Chevron Techron every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Add it when your tank is near empty, then fill up. This maximizes concentration and ensures the cleaner reaches all injectors evenly. A smooth, idle, sharper throttle response and restored MPG prove the difference. Ignore injectors long enough and they'll remind you, expensively. Habit 2. Keep the battery plus charging system healthy. Most drivers don't realize their engine can be perfectly healthy and still run terribly because of a weak battery. A dying battery forces the alternator to work overtime, which then overheats and stresses the ECU, causing unstable voltage that confuses sensors, fuel trims, and ignition timing. One weak battery can trigger a chain reaction that destroys multiple systems at once. Do what high-mileage drivers do. Check battery terminals monthly and clean any corrosion with baking soda and water. Test the battery twice a year. And here's the golden rule. If your battery is older than 3 years, replace it before it fails. Waiting until it dies risks electrical damage you'll never see coming. Finish by adding a thin layer of dielectric grease on the terminals to prevent future corrosion. A stable electrical system is the foundation of a long-lived engine.